UNICE has done what we need them to do.
If you needed a sign to try highlights, here you go.
So let's just get right into this video. I do have a wig that I'm going to be installing from UNICE Hair. I'm one to admit that I love the convenience of a easy to wear wig, and UNICE has a lot of pre-cut, pre-this, pre-that, just everything that you need to just go ahead and put it on your head type of wig. And I have one today that has highlights in it. I've been in a mood for color lately. Like, I'm in love with highlights. I've been wanting to do something to my natural hair, but it's not in the healthiest state for color. So when I can get a wig that is not only good quality, but the highlights is cute too, I'm gonna run to it. So stay with me here because this is gonna be a very quick and simple video. This is UNICE's 7x5 Baba Knots wig. It is in the black and blonde highlight color. I love how the highlights are very subtle. It's not too much. So if you're somebody that wants to get into highlights but you've never had some, this is a great starter. And if you're somebody that likes highlights, it's the perfect shade of blonde. Like, not too much, but it's giving. Let's come with the non-slip grip silicone band in the back. You can always add your adjustable strap, which is what I'm going to be doing. And this is the first look before I tint it or apply my makeup. This is what I normally use. To be honest, I am no longer a shade 11 in Ruby Kisses. It's time for me to get a darker shade because as I approach the summer, warmer weather, our skin tone typically, you know, does a little more melanating. It does a little more tanning. So that means updating our makeup. So this is your sign, if you haven't already, to look into your skincare and your makeup and make sure you are the right shade, especially for these wigs. Because if you want a seamless look, the makeup, the tint, what you use to make it match your skin tone is going to be key. To tint my lace, I have some lace tint. I have to keep it in a bag because it does exactly what it says it's going to do. It tints. It tints very well, actually. So what I like to do is put a little bit on a brush. Then I take the wig along the hairline is what I'm focusing on. So we're going to let that sit for a second to kind of dry and just, you know, get in there. It doesn't take long. I normally wait like a minute or two, and then we're going to install it. Now, my first impression of this wig is that it's going to be very pretty, but we have something we need to do. Whenever you have a wig that is honestly ready to wear, like I didn't do any styling on this, all I did was tint the lace, I'm going to go in with my hot comb and make it a little more flat. I'm going to take my wax stick, my She Is Bomb wax stick, and I'm just going to apply that. I'm not going to go in sections having to part it out just to hot comb it. It doesn't take all that. I'm just going to be hot combing it down. That's really it. That can be it. This needs to be a look. I'm not going to comb it out because these curls, watch me now, is a look. If you want to get a more loose curl look, go in with a wide tooth comb. But UNICE has done what we need them to do. As y'all can see, that lace tint was perfect for like my forehead area shade, and it's glueless. If you want to go in with some type of adhesive spray, glue, got to be gel, you can do that. But this wig isn't going anywhere. I don't have to do anything. If I want to go through it with my fingers and just take loose some of the curls, you see how it's still curling. Like, I honestly think we're at the point in the video where I can go. I mean, if you think otherwise, let me know, because this wig came to where I didn't have to do much. I have nothing bad to say. All the information on this hair will be down below. Check it out if you're interested. If this isn't your sign to check it out, I don't know what is. Because if you haven't already, please feel free to subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. I would love the support. I would love to build the community, and I would love to just give you all the content. So come on, take off with me and subscribe. Side part or middle part, it's still the same part. All I did was move it, and I didn't have to worry about parting it, curving it. No baby hairs. Oh, you're not a side part girl? That's fine. You know, when she's glueless, You can do that.
We're definitely at the point in the video where I'm about to go. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, girlies.